This is how I recreated an ancient Greek statue but put Squidward's face on it from SpongeBob, and then flew to Greece and brought it to the Mediterranean Sea, then put it at the bottom of the ocean for future archaeologists to find and be confused by. The original Discosaurus statue is lost to history. No one knows what happened to it. We only know about it through the Roman replicas which survived. And the original one is thought to be lost somewhere in the Athenian Empire around the last 2,000 years sometime. And if it was found, it'd be between $100 and $500 million. So what I did was I took a photo of myself and then found a local university student ID online and photoshopped my face and my name, Sunday Nobody, onto it. Then I printed that out on an ID printer that I have. And the whole goal of this was to see if I could sneak onto the college campus and find a chemical oceanography professor to ask what would happen if I put this sculpture at the bottom of the ocean in terms of an environmental impact.
Hi, are you Professor
Yeah.
Hi, I had a question I was hoping you could maybe help me with. I'm not in one of your classes.
What are the things that I need to be thinking about? Is bronze, is it gonna leach heavy metals into the ocean?
Okay, here's the calculation. Then I will dissolve 100 kilograms of copper per meter kilogram. This says 5 times 10 minus. I wouldn't bat 2 eyes about you dropping a hunk of bronze to the ocean floor somewhere from like an environmental perspective, but my follow-up to that is that I wouldn't want someone in a court of law. Of course, yeah.
So after the tentative approval of the college professor, then I made a digital model with Squidward's head on it, and then I need to figure out some way of actually making this as a real bronze statue. And so for this, I need to get in contact with the bronze foundry, which are the people that pour the molten metal to make these things. So I found a place in China, and I ordered 2 of these large versions of Squidward and 230 of these small versions. And I shipped the underwater version and met it in Greece. And myself and Natty, who is my studio hand, we both flew to Greece and we met the underwater sculpture there. Then we unboxed it and it looked great, but there was an issue, which was it was too heavy. We couldn't move it. And so we got this forklift thing and loaded it up into a liftgate van. And then we tied it down to make sure that it wouldn't move during transport. And to install it in the ocean, we got this big inflatable air mattress. Then we drove to the install location